Hi everyone, in this short video let me show you how to delete all comments for your WordPress website in one go. Traditionally in WordPress you can go to the comments and you can select all these and you can move them to spam, trash, and if you move them to trash, you have to go to the trash again to delete this, like this. But there is another way. This video is also part of Cleary Free plugin. Here you can go to the settings, Cleary, and the comments. For these settings we have done a video. You can see in my videos, and here there is another option called comments cleaner. Here you can select all, or you can select remove comments for your post, page, or media. Comments for specific post type, or you can remove the spam comments in one go, or you can remove unapproved comments, or remove trash comments here in one go. This one go solution is very good if you want to remove those comments in one go, instead of doing step by step, one by one, deleting those comments in one go. It saves time. And I hope this video is helpful to you. I'll be doing some videos about this very powerful plugin in the next few days. And if you have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave a comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.